Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. This is a video on how to day trade Forex into the London Open. This was a trade signal I sent my VIP group today, and I want to explain the strategy. There's a lot going on in this chart, but here's the thing, and I'll keep this fairly brief. So this is the London Open, this line here. For one thing, we're trading down into the London Open, and I'm always looking for the rotation. Other thing we have is this. There's the range, the Asian session range. We break out of the range. There's the signal that brought me into the chart. I noticed that there was a 1 hour and 4 hour nested order block sitting under, and I noticed that there was a daily support level here. So my idea was to see if this moved a little further. That was our entry. And then we had this trade. A few things about this. Our higher time frame or multi-time frame indicator is predominantly green. So I'm looking for a buy. It's a green signal indicating a buy opportunity. So let me go out of here and we'll step back a little bit. 4 hour time frame. What I'm looking for, take out the trend bar color. Just remove that for a second. And I want to show you this. The signal happens. It brings us into the chart. These go off here. Look at all these opportunities. These are all similar trade opportunities. If you want trade signals, here they are. The signal brings us in. It's on a 5 minute. And what I'm looking for is, well, this actually traded back down into this level here. Right, so this is where we picked it up, but it traded down into here. Let me just show you this. I'm going to bump it up. Just back that one off. Let me just take that out. See this shaded zone here? This is the level that we want to move from. We can see that this is bullish, and we get a retrace back down into this grey area here. This grey area is picking up the high and the low of this red candle. This is a key level here, accumulation zone. This is where smart money accumulated orders prior to this strong impulsive move north. So this is what our indicators are picking up, and you can see these levels back further. When we see the market moving into one of these levels, I'll definitely mark it up with blue. And then I go down to the lower time frame. There's also another one on the 1 hour time frame. I won't bother going there, but it's there. Okay, so anyway, we use these levels. I'll just take that out for now. And then when we come down the time frames, we look for the entry. Well, if you're a Fibonacci trader, there's your low to high. The retrace down in. Here's my buy zone. See these yellow 618, 786? That's my zone. And it coincided with this 1 hour, 4 hour nested order block. Next part of this video is going to be really important, and this is what makes or breaks traders. We'll just go down to the lower time frame. It is so important to get your psychology right and your risk management. So I'll spell it out very briefly. I encourage you to watch the videos that I've done previously. I've got a couple in there on managing risk. But here's the thing. In fact, I'll take you over to a spreadsheet, and I want to show you what we do with position size. Before we go there, what I tend to do is I'm going to enter a market and limit orders. Okay, so I set up a range, a buying range. So that's my buy range, buy zone if you want, in through here. And I'll set up first, it'll be a market entry, and this is going to be 0.2% of my account size. And I'll set up another one down in my buy range, and this one's going to be 0.4% of my account. It's not lot size, it's position size and a percentage of the account. So what I'll do is I'll show you a spreadsheet, and then we'll come back and I'll explain how this relates to trading any instrument, any currency pair, keeping your risk consistent And this is really the secret to growing an account. Once you've got a strategy, the next thing is, well, the risk management is part of the strategy. But here's the thing. We'll go to the spreadsheet that I've got. So here's what I've got here. And it's a really simple spreadsheet. I made it up myself. I want to take 4 trades today. And I know that my maximum exposure would be 3%, but 2.5% generally. So then I wiggle this around 0.5, for example, and it's giving me 2%. All right, so then I go 0.6, and it gives me 2.4. So I say, okay, today I'll allow 4 trades, and I'll allocate 0.6% per trade. So when you come back over here, no matter what you're trading and no matter what the stop loss range is, the risk is always the same. Let's just say we're trading today and 0.6 is $200 in my account. All right, well then I know I'm risking $200 or thereabouts, and I could trade any one of these with varying distance in the range here with my stop loss. So if that's my stop loss, okay, 0.6, that's my risk. I will always close, if not all of my position. I actually generally close 100%. I prefer not to mess around and trail, but I mean, that would have paid very nicely if I had. I just close my trade here. I'm happy with that. Around 1-to-1 risk reward. And then if you want, well, I'll generally close all my position, but for those of you who like to continue on, 70% at least, and then trail 30%. So this was our trade tonight. I think some of our guys will be still in this and definitely enjoying the ride. So that sums up quickly the strategy. I have a whole series of tutorials on our breakout strategy, and we look at more advanced concepts around these range breakout trades. One direction goes in the other direction. We've got this trading range through here, and we're looking for the opportunities at these extremes, and that's why we've got these dots to give us an indication of when we break out of a range. Kind of here, we broke out of the range. There's a dot. The higher time frame is bullish. Let's have a look. Yes, predominantly green. Then we're looking for green opportunities, but generally I will want to take it when it's trading into one of these levels here, like a big support level. We get a green dot and we're heading into a support level, or the green dot fires in the support level, then that's the opportunity with the trend on the higher time frame. That's it, guys. Let's keep it simple. Have your strategy, you know it works. Trade it with discipline and you can do very well. So with that, jump on board. Links below. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.